Hi. Today I will build additional page on my website. You see, at the moment I have some website where I'm offering consulting service for marketing teams. It one-on-one sessions. You do not start implement it from the start. Instead, you would first plan, and you encouraged to ask me additional questions in order to figure it out what will be the best layout given specific target audience. So you see, I'm using Whisper AI so that I can, instead of typing all the information, I can just talk to the Claude so that he has more information. What he is doing at the moment? Claude is analyzing what I have in the repository, what framework I'm using, and what already present on the website. When he does it, he executing commands in Bash, and you see he's reading, executing commands in Bash. By the way, I'm using the Astro.js framework that reloads on the spot. Yeah, and therefore when we will update the code, we'll immediately see results on our server. You see, once when Claude is going through the repo, he says what he knows. Yeah. Okay. Now he figures out what additional questions he need to ask in order to prepare the offer I like. Okay. I want to offer three packages. One is a discovery call, say for 30 minutes. Then some standard block, say 2 or 3 hours sessions, and then the full package for 5 or 10 hours. Okay. Okay, he asking what target audience. Okay, I will clarify it. I want to offer this consulting to non-technical people in technical companies. For example, business analyst, data analyst, marketing guys, HR guys, say in IT companies. The idea is the following. Developers already using Claude Code for their needs, but non-technical guys may want to keep up with it. Okay, final row. Okay, he's asking about, yeah, I think it will be a stand-alone the product. Okay, as it was suggested, I would like to have to show three package on the spot. Say basic, it is clarity session where we have only speak for half hour. Then several hours, it is standard package, and full session, full program. Okay, Claude, I have answered all the questions that Claude wants to figure out, and it allows him to prepare better plan. You see, in order to develop the website, we do not jump into the code. First, we do the business analysis. Okay. If we have first session, we have just, I would call it a clarity session. People will understand what I can offer them, and as a result of that, they can get future plan on what we should work. Second package offers basic setup, which allows the person, to automate his some of his work. No, not automate, just set up the system so he gets better feeling of what he can do with AI. And the last package will allow him to automate few workflows, few personal or business tasks. Okay. Yeah, we will put it on dedicated page. And here we'll use one Calendly link. Okay, you see, as Claude further progress with the plan, he asks more nuanced questions. And still, as I have mentioned to you, we do not jump directly into the code. First, we conduct business analysis and decide why we need this page and what we want to achieve with it. Yeah, and you see when Claude thinks, he figures out what items to put in the navigation, what potential code snippets he can insert. You see, he has already figured page structure. Therefore, I think that we already quite close to figure out complete plan. Yeah, and this plan, already it has, Claude has figured the plan for this new page. First, it has the context. It understands what we want to build, new page, new CSS styles, new navigation, and put it in the footer. Okay, now it has hero. It tells who is this for. Several packages. Yeah. How it works. Credibility. Okay, let's add few points for credibility. Claude, extend the credibility brief. Be aware that I have worked in IT for 15 years in multiple roles, such as business analyst, data scientist, and project manager. Therefore, I know how the IT works. Therefore, I can help non-technical guys from the IT companies. Okay, technical details. I don't think that we need to jump into technical details. Yeah, we will better once it is executed, we will see whether we like it or not. So you see, I have added the comments and it updated this markdown file. This markdown file is what underhood the plan. Okay, overall I like the plan, so we will proceed further and wait as Claude implements everything. You see, as in IT business, Claude works as a software engineer at the moment. Instead of just writing the code, he creates the task for himself, as experienced software engineer will do for him, or as if team lead or project manager created those tasks for junior developer. While the Claude Code works, you can read his thoughts, and if you notice something something wrong, or Claude Code goes into the areas that you do not want, you can hit the stop button. Yeah, and in this case it will it will stop. So while the Claude Code goes through his task, he reports intermediate results to you. You see, he has figured reference files, which he is going to update, and now he is working on CSS, on the styles. Okay, he has figured styles. Now he jumps to the page. Then once it will finish with main pages, with the session pages, it will update the navigation panel at the top. You see at the top we have offers for the corporate use cases, and then it will jump into the footer where we'll have additional information. And the last but not the least, once everything done, he will perform basic quality assurance by running a linting, and will build the code to verify that it works properly. Okay, you see that it updating specific pages, progressing further to the footer, and I think we might be close. Oh, now it runs the build to ensure that the JavaScript works properly. It outputs the results to the dev server. Okay, he wants to run the dev server. You do not need to run dev server because I'm running it locally, and if you think that you are done with your work, I will run user acceptance testing. Okay, I provided this information. Claude reports to me what he has done, what section he's added. So I will check it by myself. Okay, let us read it. Sessions. One-on-one sessions. It shows call to action buttons. It describes who this for. It describes some pain that people might see, and it wraps it into several packages. Yeah. Describes how it works. Adds some credibility points. Yeah, and close it with with additional call to action button. Overall, the site looks good. So guys, if you like a tutorial like this, let me know in the comments for which business you would like to see the next demo. Looking forward to hear from you. See you.